Hi, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. Spring is in the air, and I'm sharing with you one of my first spring vignettes, and it is my beverage cart. Now, we aren't drinkers around here, but I set it up as if we were going to have a toast or two. Every once in a while we do, but we really don't drink. But I had this really pretty decanter, and so I set it up as if we were going to have a drink together. We would have to be together because we still aren't having folks in yet. So come on in and enjoy my spring 2021 bar cart. Vignette number 1, y'all. Spring is in the air. So, friends, I hope you are enjoying my bar cart for spring in 2021. I think it came out really, really cute. The plates, by the way, were picked up at Pier 1 before they closed their doors. God, I miss that store. The egg, I believe, was from Target, and I have no idea where the bunnies are from. You guys know I collect bunnies, so I have lots of those. The black and white napkins, a friend gave those to me. Thanks, Elisa. And the tulips I picked up at Michael's, and they were on sale. They were regular $3.99, and I got them for $1 and something. So the table is, or the cart is economical. I think it's pretty, and I hope you do too. So if you're new here, guys, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button below. Once you do, I hope you'll hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. We'd love to have you join our little family here. If you're one of my new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. I see you. And I'm so very glad that you're here. And if you're one of my ride or dies, you know how I feel about you. I love you. I love you. I love you. So guys, I'm going to encourage you to find something today to bring joy into your life. And I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. Be well, be happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.